Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna tell you about 6 most useful tips and tricks every smartphone user must know. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Okay, so guys, sometimes we don't want anyone else to call from our phone. So that's how we can easily block our outgoing calls so that no one can call without our permission from our phone. So how you do it? You have to go to the phones, and after that once you get there you have to type star hash 31 hash. If you will type that, your outgoing call will be blocked, like no one can call without disabling it. If you want to call, so you have to disable it first. And how to disable it? If you will just type hash 31 hash, so it will be disabled. So that's how you can easily block the call so no one can call from your phone. So I hope you like this first trick. Okay guys, so the second step is that sometimes if we change a new if we change a phone or if we buy a new phone, so we lost our contacts. So if we will connect our Gmail to that new phone, so all contacts will be restored. So I will show you that how it works. So you have to go to your phone settings, your current phone, if you're using, like it's not changed yet. So you have to go to this accounts and you have to click on the account whatever you are using. I'm currently using 3 Gmail, so if you're using 1 to 3, so whatever, so you have to do it for all of it. So once you get there, you have to click on the account sync. Once you click on the account sync, as you can see here, the contacts, if it's not checked, so you have to check it. Once it's checked, so if you will buy a new phone and if you will connect the Gmail into your phone, so your all contacts will be restored. And the second step is, which I will tell you, that if you will go to your browser or Chrome, whatever it is, you have to type google.com, and after that it will take you there and you have to click on these dots and you have to go to the contacts. Once you get there, as you can see these 3 lines here on the top, you have to click on it and you can see here import and export. So if you will say export, these contacts will be exported in your phone. And if you buy a new phone, then you have to take this file with you in the new phone. Then you have to click just on the import and you have to select the file and your all contacts will be restored. But the best option is that you should check this option here, like it should be on, so the all contacts will be recovered to your phone. Okay, so the third tip is that most of the people don't know about the SAR value. SAR value is a thing which represents your mobile safety. So if the SAR value is above than 1.6, so it's harmful. So and if it's 1.6, so it's normal. And how to check the SAR value, I will tell you in this video. You have to go to the phone set here, like on the click on the phone. Once you click here, you have to dial star hash 07 hash. Once you type star 07 hash, as you can see, my SAR value is 1.6. so if it's more than 1.6, so that means my phone is harmful, and if it's 1.6, that means my phone is normal. So that's how you can check it. You just have to go to the phones here, click on the phone dial pad. Once you get here, you have to type star hash 07 hash. So that's how you can check the SAR value. And the fourth tip is that most of the people download new app from the Play Store and they get notification like without any reason, like they get notifications again and again, which irritates people very much. So how to turn it off? You just have to go to the settings here and you have to go to the apps and notifications, and once you get here you have to click on the notifications. And once you get here, as you can see, there are apps all in my phone which I've downloaded. So if I want to turn the notifications off for this app, so I can easily turn it off, and for this if I want to turn it off, so I can easily turn it off. So that's how you can turn off the notifications. The fifth tip is, most of the people buy new phone, or if they want to buy a second hand used phone, so they want to test the screen first or the sensor first, that the mobile is working correctly or not. So how you can check these things? You have to go to the dial pad here and you have to type star hash 0 star hash. So once you type this and once you click on it, you will get to the screen. Here you can check everything, like the speaker, the sleep, the megaphone, the red, green, blue, like you can check the screen touch and everything. That's how you can easily check these things from this option. Like this is the built-in option in the phone, like in every phone if you will buy a new phone. So that's how you can check the phone it's working correctly or not. Last and final tip, which most people don't know about, that which is developer options. In developer options we have a lot of options if you just explore it. So if you will open the developer options, you will find many options in here. So how you turn it on, you have to go to your phone settings and you have to go to your about info section. Like I'm using Infinix Note 7, so I have this option somewhere else, but I will show you that how we will do it in your phone. So you have to go to about phone. Once you get there, you have to click on the software information, like software info. It will be software info. So mine says there. Then you will get to this screen. Then you will find this build number here. You have to click 7 times on this build number like this. So as you can see, I'm already on the developer mode, so it won't turn on for me again. But if you will type this like the 7 times, you will get into developer mode. Then after that, you will see an option like this, then developer option. Here you can find a lot of things like you have just explored. Then you will find a lot of things and it will help you so much. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more content. Thank you.